Today we are going to discuss about Meissner effect. What this effect indicates or states. It states about the property of superconductors. That is, superconductors are perfectly diamagnetic materials. How it can be explained with the help of this diagram. We are observing here three diagrams A, B and C. In A diagram, you are observing a circle, and that circle indicates the specimen or the material that can be converted into superconductor. The lines indicate the applied magnetic field. In the first figure, the temperature of the material is kept above the critical temperature, and when magnetic field is applied, the field lines are penetrating through the material, and therefore we are observing in the first figure that the magnetic field lines, which are shown with the help of arrows, they are passing through the material. While in second figure, what we are observing, the temperature of the material is decreased, or it is made equal to critical temperature of the material, and the same amount of magnetic field has been applied. But we are observing here that the magnetic field lines are expelled out. So this indicates that when the temperature of this superconducting material is lower below or made equal to critical temperature, the magnetic field lines are expelled from the material which were initially penetrating through it. And this property proves that the superconductors are perfectly diamagnetic materials. And this expulsion of magnetic field lines below critical temperature from superconducting material is known as Meissner effect. It can be proved mathematically also. When we are applying magnetic field to the material, it is producing some magnetization in the material, and then the total magnetic field can be written as B is equal to mu 0 H plus M. But for superconductors, this B is equal to 0, and therefore mu 0 into bracket H plus M is equal to 0, where H is the applied external magnetic field and M is the magnetization produced within the specimen. When temperature is made lower than critical temperature, the B is equal to 0, and therefore H plus M is equal to 0, or H is equal to minus M. While the ratio of this magnetization produced to the applied magnetic field is known as chi, that is the susceptibility of the material, and from above discussion or derivation, what we are observing, that H is equal to minus M, and if we take their ratio, what do we get? Chi is equal to M by H. If we substitute either M is equal to minus H or H is equal to minus M, we get chi is equal to minus 1. And when this chi is exactly equal to minus 1, it indicates that the material is perfectly diamagnetic material, and therefore superconductors are perfectly diamagnetic material is proved by this Meissner effect. Thank you.